Hi, today I will try to make a beating heart. You will need the A4 printed paper to make the beating heart. We're starting now. Take this corner and fold it to this line, just like this. Open it, and you'll see this form. Now, fold in half, just like this. And fold in half, but in this way, just like this. Take this corner and put it, and fold it to this corner, just like this. Fold it in this side, just like this. And now, fold in half, just like this. And now, take this corner and fold it into the middle, just like this. Take this corner and fold in half, fold it into the middle, just like this. Then you got a triangle. Now, fold it just like this, and you will see this will come out. Just let it be just like that. Make a good crease, and do exactly the same thing in this side. Now flip it over just like this, and it might look something like this. Now, take this corner and fold it into the middle, just like this. Just like this. Do exactly the same thing on this side. Fold this corner into the middle, just like this. Make a good crease. Now open it. Take this side and just push it just like this. You'll see. Just like this. You might look something like this. Now, take this corner and put it just in this line, just like this. Do exactly the same thing on that side. Take this top of the triangle and just put it down just like this. You might do something like this. Now, take this corner into this side, just like this. Do exactly the same thing on this side. Take this corner and put it in this line, just like this. Just like this. You might look something like this. Now, unfold it just like this. And take this corner. You see this little pocket in here? Just take the corner and put it in this pocket. Just like this. Do exactly the same thing on this side. Take this corner and put it in this little pocket in there. We're also done with the beating heart. You just take these corners and just take it, just to the middle, just like this. do exactly the same thing on this side. Just like this. Now you take this and just open it just like this, and you take your 2 fingers and your thumb just like this, and you'll see it's spinning us. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment please.